Story time. Okay, let me sit down and we all gonna talk. Okay. All right. Okay. I'm sitting down on the floor. Right. Okay, hi guys. Welcome back to PHILA-U once again. And guess what? This video is gonna be my last video again. I have stayed at home like for 1 month and 2 days, I guess. So I enjoyed my vacation. It's been really amazing because like you had a good food. Last meal. Proper food, good sleep, family time. That's the most important thing. I have done so many activities as well, like meeting up friends, like having food together, dinner with families, cousin, and relatives. I do help my brother in the restaurant as well, like almost every day. And then I also went to the gym for 1 month. gym 정확하죠? 이 gym 아직 나가 which was really great experience for me, and I really inspired like by seeing the people who's working out in the gym in Ukraine. These people, I respect them, a huge respect to them, whether be it for a lifestyle, whether be it for condition, because there are so many youths, so many people. I just admire them. If I have to be honest, there are a lot of people who do nothing, just loitering the entire Ukraine or somewhere within Manipur, or going here and there, living in such a way. But look at these people who's in the gym right now. These people we need to protect at all costs. They are very precious, and it's something we should learn. It's something that we need to learn from them. It's really inspiring. Why I was doing this gym is like my intention was just to gain weight. That's it. Taught me some things that I realized is like, this is not just about gaining weight. It's not just about losing weight. This is not just about building up your body, but it's about discipline, maintaining yourself. When I say discipline, it's everything is all included, like what to eat, what not to eat, what not to drink, what to drink, already. And of course the time management. Even you have so many things to, you still have that like manner that, okay, at this particular time I need to go to the gym, work out for myself, giving a priority to yourself, which is really important. And I find it, people like, they look cheerful, they are contented, also like they do have so many trainers. Shout out to them. They provide trainer with different amount as well. And there's a saying regarding this fitness, not that I read it from the book, or not that I found it from social media, but I just read it from in the fitness center, which they wrote a quotation like, I don't remember the exact like code, but something like, if fitness is costly, then try illness. Makes sense, right? It's so beautiful. So everything is all there. Don't get me wrong, I just appreciate, and I was even surprised and inspired, not just for your health, but it's also for your mental health. All right, it's really helpful. And I feel like people might be judging because I'm saying this. Honestly, I am not in such kind of background, but I am just sharing my experience that this is good. So I just want to encourage. And yeah, shout out to the trainers out there, and the proprietor who is like looking after so many people, so many students. Go to the gym and meet Sir Robert and start working out. You go to the gym and observe everybody. They are the happiest people, I should say, if you want to go as a profession. There's so many competitions coming up, and that's how Sir Robert, give a guidelines, find the opportunity for them. There's so many students over there working out. Oh my god, their body, it's amazing. Yes, thank you so much for watching this video until the end. And hey, thank you. I personally thank you to you, to whoever watching right now. that's you. Yeah, thank you so much. I really, really appreciate it.